everyone, let's talk about knuckle cracking. So there is this gentleman who cracked only one hand knuckles for 60 years. Hi everyone, let's talk about knuckle cracking. So do you have the habit of doing this and heard your parents or elders say that don't do this might cause arthritis? Let's break some myths. The sound that the knuckle makes when you crack it is actually a gas bubble which is formed inside the joint which pops when you crack the knuckle. So there is this gentleman called Donald Unger who cracked only one hand knuckles for 60 years and after 60 years got an x-ray of both the hands and found no difference in the arthritis of both the hands. This is also confirmed by a lot of research papers which say that knuckle cracking does not lead to any arthritis. And once you crack a knuckle, it takes around 20 minutes for the gas bubble to form again, and that is when you would be able to crack it again. Thank you.